Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make honey mustard sauce without Dijon mustard. First, gather your core ingredients: honey, yellow mustard, and mayonnaise. These form the creamy, sweet, and tangy base. Next, add a small amount of apple cider vinegar for a bright, acidic note. Finally, season with a pinch of salt and black pepper to enhance all the flavors. This simple combination creates a delicious foundation. Achieving the perfect balance is key. Start by combining 2 parts mayonnaise with 1 part honey in a bowl. This creates a rich and sweet foundation. Then, incorporate 1 part yellow mustard to introduce that signature tangy mustard flavor. Whisk everything together until smooth. Remember, you can always adjust the apple cider vinegar, salt, and pepper to suit your taste. Taste and tweak as you go. Now, let's talk about customizing your sauce. For those who enjoy a little heat, a dash of cayenne pepper or a few drops of hot sauce can add a fantastic spicy kick. If you prefer a more savory profile, consider adding a small amount of garlic powder or onion powder. This homemade honey mustard is incredibly versatile, perfect for dipping chicken tenders, spreading on sandwiches, or dressing your favorite salad. For best results, store your freshly made honey mustard in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay delicious for up to 1 week. A pro tip: let the sauce chill for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. And speaking of fresh, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.